nicely. Cup with water.
That's enough, that's enough. Soap.
Second one, the soap. 3 squirts.
Yeah.
Then, very liquid. Preferably red. Squirt. Next.
Chili.
Chili. Now we only put a little bit of this on. It's really hot. There's the chili we use. Next, just to give it a little bit of taste, a splash of black currant.
If you think, taste it.
Right, and now we're going to taste it, but first we're just going to give it a little bit of a stir to get. It's all bubbly.
He's only going to dip a finger in and taste it off that. This is going on YouTube, you know. Hot?
Very hot.
Oh, please not like that.
Well, the chilies just came out on the sink. I don't think that'll become a very popular drink.
I don't think that'll become very popular with them. Are you finished?
Yep.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. Say
Bye,
bye.
YouTube.